Hi everyone, I am Shahan. Welcome back to my channel Dr. Shahan's class. And here in this video, I will discuss about a very important psychiatric disorder, which is very important if you are studying psychiatry, or you are a psychiatry student, or you are a psychology student, or you are in MBBS. Whatever it is, you must learn what is Stockholm Syndrome. This is very important. Stockholm Syndrome. You can see the victim is actually having a positive relation or a kind of relationship bonding for the captor. So why it is? You can find out in this video with the help of Stockholm Syndrome. Now, let us learn what is Stockholm Syndrome. So, this is the definition from the Wikipedia. Stockholm Syndrome is a condition in which hostages develop a psychological bond with the captors during captivity. So, when the victims are brought, or when the victims are under the captivity, when the victims are chained, they are at the gunpoint or whatever it is, they are not allowed to go outside for a long period of time. What happens? That the victims developed a kind of psychological bond, a kind of relationship bond, a kind of good feelings for the captors, for those who have captured them. So this is a certain kind of psychiatric disorder, a kind of psychological condition, and this is known as Stockholm Syndrome. Now, why this is known as Stockholm Syndrome has another story which I will discuss in this video, but just you understand, this happened in Stockholm. You can see this slide where I will discuss why it is called Stockholm Syndrome. Basically, what happened is in 1973, there was a bank robbery. A bank robbery took place in Stockholm. So, where is Stockholm? Stockholm is in the Sweden, in the Swedish city, Stockholm. In 1973, a bank robbery took place. And what happened? What is the speciality of that bank robbery? Bank robbery happens in so many places, in India also. But the speciality of that bank robbery in 1973 Stockholm is that two men held four bank employees at the gunpoint for 6 days. So there are four bank employees, and these four bank employees were made under the gunpoint. You can see the picture. These are the bank employees, these are the victims of that Stockholm bank incident, where they were under the gunpoint for 6 days. And after 6 days, when the reporters came and everybody came to rescue them, when the police came, then and an interrogation was done, they were asked why this happened and what is the reason. They actually showed sympathy for the captors. They actually showed sympathy, and they were very happy. They were not sad at all. They were not having any kind of sadness, grief. This happened because of the Stockholm Syndrome. Now, what is the cause of Stockholm Syndrome? Particularly, as this is a psychiatric condition, it is not very much clear that this is happening due to a particular reason. We don't know. But as it is a mental disorder, mental health experts has conducted research on that, and they have understood that this is a form of survival. Why it is called a form of survival? or a kind of survival strategy, because the victim actually wanted to stay in that condition, because they are forced to stay, and that is why they develop survival strategy. And there are also movies also done based on this Stockholm Syndrome. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe this channel, because this channel is for medical students, for helping them in studies. If you like this video, make a thumbs up and please subscribe this channel and write down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for your cooperation, for watching this video, and please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the update from this channel. This channel contains 400 plus, till now 400 plus free medical videos on different disease topic, on different topics which will help you to learn your MBBS or any other Ayurveda or whatever it is you are studying, any kind of medicine course, health course, whatever it is you are interested in, health or medicine. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.